Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. If you know anything about me, I'm a chicken lover. If I had my way, I'd put on wings and feathers and cluck around the property. But I decided to make this today. It's a honey sriracha baked chicken. Incredibly delicious. You're gonna love this. Great midweek meal. So let me walk you through this. So first up, guys, we're going to begin making the sauce with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and if you don't have that, you can just use water, a couple of tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Oh, sriracha, I love sriracha. 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and a thumb-sized ginger finely chopped as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. It's not even cooked, but it smells so good. Bring this to a boil. After a boil, we're going to add in the diluted cornstarch, and this is 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and this is gonna thicken things up. And we're gonna kill the heat and set this aside. Now what I've got here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm just gonna drizzle some oil over this, and then I'm gonna salt and pepper. And of course we're gonna do this on both sides. After that, we're going to spread that yummy, delicious sauce over the chicken. And I'm going to slip this into a 400-degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius oven for 30 to 40 minutes. After about 35 minutes, this looks incredibly delicious. So I'm just going to garnish this up with some sesame seeds. And of course, one of my all-time favorites, some green onions. And there you have it, our honey sriracha baked chicken. Incredibly delicious. Okay guys, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is incredible. The heat from the sriracha, the soy sauce, the spices, just incredible. You gotta do this. So for the full recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.